Hi Susan. After our talk this morning, I learned a lot about your process, and so I have been hard at work updating the website, streamlining the process. I really think you're going to like some of the changes that we've made. So here we are at the dashboard login screen. What I want you to do is to simply click on the Continue with Google, and when the little pop-up window opens, I want you to choose City of Menominee, Michigan. It's the Google login that we added to yours while I was there this morning. Now that you're here logged into the website, you'll notice that it says Howdy Susan Johnson. What you're going to do is you're going to go down to Add Public Documents. Now when we do this, you will still have to enter the password, if you recall what that is. Now once I'm here, you'll notice that I added a couple of directions. Step 1 of 2, add public documents to website and Google Drive via the form submission. No more messing around with having to drag and drop files into the right folders and that sort of thing. I've made a lot of adjustments here. So here we go. Let's go ahead and make a test post on April 15th of this year. We're going to call it test post. We're going to insert some dummy text. And now down here at the bottom, we're going to select which category we not only want to add this post to, but also the category or folder on Google Drive that we want to add our documents to. So for this one here, let's just choose Board of Review. And you'll see that it says upload your files to Board of Review notices. If we were to say I want to add this to City Council agendas, if you select that, let me select it. Sure why I won't. There we go. Now it says upload your files to City Council agendas. But for this one here, we're just going to choose Board of Review notices, and I'm going to click on the plus sign, and I'm going to choose two files here, 2 PDFs. I'm choosing the cemetery files here so that they're easy to find within the Board of Review folder later so that I can delete these. But once you've added these files, now we're just going to hit submit. Upon submitting, it's going to automatically send these files to the correct folder. It's going to automatically create the post, and it's also going to attach those files to the post. Step 2 of 2 is, you can see here you successfully added a post to the website and attachments to the Google Drive. Now we need to add event and attachments to the Google Calendar. So simply click on this link. The calendar will open up. Just make sure that you're logged into the correct calendar. This is the one for City of Menominee. And I'm going to navigate to April 15th. And let's say it's at 11 o'clock. So I'm going to add test post or test meeting, whatever we're going to call that. I'm going to click on more options, and down here I'm just going to click on the attach icon, and here are the 2 documents that I just added. Okay, I don't even have to go into anything, but those are the 2 documents I just added. Click on select and save. Now you can see that when you open up test meeting, both of those documents are there. And when we go back to the site, if we click on documents and agendas and minutes and go down to board and review, notices of board and review, you can see that there are also the 2 documents that we just added. And if we go to the document updates, this is where your post shows. Here's our test post that we just created. When we open it up, it will show public records. Here's the content that you added to it, and here are the 2 documents that are automatically uploaded. Pretty slick. I love the way that this is working, so I think that this will definitely streamline the operations on your end. So if you've got any questions, feel free to hit me up, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.